Hey everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. In this video, we will talk about how you can configure your social sharing options for your BlogHunch site. So let's get started. Here, I'm right now in the dashboard of my BlogHunch. Now, if I click on settings and from there, I need to head over to the social media option, which is right under the website. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom and you will find here 20 different social media platforms that you can turn on and off based on your requirements. And what it will do is, for example, right now, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp, these four options turned on for this particular site. So if I open the website now, this is my blog site. And if I open any post and scroll to the end of this post, I can see share this article options. So clicking on any of this will redirect me to the sharing options of that particular platform. And just because I have turned this four options on, that's why only these four buttons are visible. If I get back and turn off WhatsApp and turn on Telegram and save this, now if I refresh the page, you can see WhatsApp is removed and now it is displaying Telegram. So this is how easily you can configure your social sharing options, and you got 20 different social media platforms that you can turn on and off based on your requirements.